Hi friends, welcome to our channel 7. In the previous video, we saw about the LG SJ3 long time review and an unboxing video. Also we saw before 6 months, but many of them asking about sound testing. So I'm going to give it in the video separately. Please watch the video until the end so you get a proper idea. Please use headphones. You can feel the bass and the effects clearly. First I'm going to give the 5.1 sound. I'm going to play through my laptop using Bluetooth 5.1 sound Tamil movie, and then I enter into the trailer. You can see some effects and I'm going to play third one. I'm going to play some pop songs. Then only you can able to get a clear idea. If you have any files to play, please put the link in the comment section. I will play the file and give it a separate video. And I put some of the best sound bars list in the bottom of the description. Check the description for more details. You can get an idea. And now get into the video. Hear the sound. Please put your headphones on your head. I think that you can get an idea after hear the sounds. It was very clear. The separation was good and the bass was good. I just record with my small mic and I feel the bass was really good. If you hear it in the real room, it was really good and the effects are really good. If I collect any DTS file in my hand, I will play this in a separate video. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. I will reply in 6 hours. Thank you everyone. 7. If you like the video, please click like button. If you want more video, please click subscribe button. Thank you, Dynam 7.